Las Vegas and Henderson, Nevada, come go with your local realtor, Posey, on my next home tour. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are touring one of LENNAR's newest communities, Silverado Valley at the Enclaves. The model is the Sage, features the next gen, a home within a home. A two-story home featuring a little over 3,100 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. Welcome in and check out this open floor plan. The kitchen features granite countertops, pantry, and oversized island, overlooking the nook and a back patio. The living room has lots of space for entertaining and a separate dining room area. Here's what makes the home special. The next gen is a home within a home with its own separate entryway. It features a full bath and bedroom down and a walk-in closet. On the second floor, there's a full loft with lots of space for fun and games. An elegant master suite with balcony, a walk-in closet with built-in shelving. The bathroom features a shower with separate tub and double sinks. Washer and dryer upstairs on the second floor with a walk-in linen closet for more storage. You will find your other 2 bedrooms opposite side of the master with their own full bath and shower. And like and hit the bell to be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching.